I hope you're well. My name's Blakemore. I teach travel and sometimes triumph, and this is going to be a triumph, fingers crossed, video. Let me explain. In a previous video to the one I'm about to make, I did this thing where I spin a pen around my head 25 times to get it to come back to life. It's actually my most disliked video in terms of ratios, and that's because apparently I did a few things wrong. Left the pens out for too long, and I didn't actually use the correct technique, and all sorts of different things. Now, additionally to that video is actually copyright claimed by the company who licensed out the woman in America's video. And that means, I don't at the moment, but if I ever were to make money off, all this YouTube stuff, that video specifically, any money that I made would go straight to that company. Even though I spent hours, making that video, it goes to them because I used part of that clip. Lessons learned. So what I wanted to do in this video is sort of recap it, the whole thing, and if I prove this to be wrong again, I'm going to unlist the previous video because ain't nobody got time for copyright claims. So what you apparently need is a piece of string. I didn't have that last time, I've got it now. A pen that's not been left out for too long but just doesn't work and has been used too much, and then some tape to put it all together. Then you spin it around your head 25 times and boom. So I've got a pen, let me get that now. This one I think does work. So today I found out that this doesn't work and I thought, a video idea. So you can see it kind of works, but at the same time it's just a bit dry. So apparently if I spin this around my head 25 times, it'll come back to life. Right, so pen taped. I'm hoping this is taped well actually, so it doesn't fly into the camera. That's not a good sign. Right, let's try this again. Right, so let's make this tighter. I don't know why I'm even putting this in, to be honest. This is not interesting. That's still not perfect, but wait. So I'm still not happy. I keep thinking that this is going to fly straight into the lens or something, but maybe if I lock it in like this. This is why tape is just better straight up. Right, if I do this apparently 25 times, then apparently it will come back to life. I'm using the word apparently quite a lot. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, and a couple more for good luck. Right, so all being well, this should come back to life. And if it does, lady who did the original video, I apologise. I don't know. I'll let you be the judge of that. It's darker than what it was before, but it's still not right. So the lady said 25 times. So what I'll do, just for the sake of it, is I'll do it 50. Oh. And we'll see if it works. Right. I'm still not happy. Yeah, you can see that this is already starting to come out. Let's try it one more time, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I told you that was going to happen. It's actually... It's actually on in the bin. Look. What a shot. That is a shot. Attempt 2. I'm making this, literally pulling it so tight. What a faff anyway. Can you imagine doing this? It's a lovely idea, but I've already if this was in a class, I've already just taken out a child's eye. This is a step that the lady didn't mention. I'm going to have to tie it at the end. So I've got it tied up at the end. Right, fingers crossed this doesn't come out. Press it down. Right, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I can still feel it going. It's just about right. This is like the moment of truth now. I could see it working, that's the thing. But at the same time, it's not dark enough, and the amount of time it takes to set this up, potentially take out a child's eye, and it's just not worth it. It's just really not. Other than that, I don't really know what to say. So, despite the fact that you copyright claim my video, I've still sort of proven that this I don't know, I just don't think it's worth it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and that I've proven something wrong. Mini triumph maybe. If you enjoyed this, you can see more videos like this in my channel. I make teaching and traveling videos. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel down in the corner. Anyway, really random video, but yeah, I'll see you in the next one.